Hey everyone, welcome. So I'm so excited. I got not all of my package are ordered from DIY Moon, but you all got to understand they've been going through the coronavirus since the end of January. So, I mean, you guys, if you're ordering from them, just know that they're doing the best they can, all right? I mean, I'm surprised, to be all honest with you, that, I mean, they're even getting things shipped, okay? So, just, if you're waiting for an order, just be patient, all right? Some of my orders have been since January, some since December, so just be patient, everyone, okay? That's all I say, because they're great people. Reggie and Rona, if you have any questions, they'll be right there to answer them for you, you know, so I don't know, they've just always been really great. But anyhow, let's get this open. I am so excited, but look at the paper. Tell me that is not super cute. I'm gonna have to save this paper, so I'm gonna have to do my best to not ruin it. Oh, look, there's my name. Yeah, do my best without ruining it though, because it is so cute, and I could still use it for my paper scrapping, so yeah. So let me put y'all on pause so I can do some little bit of operation here, and then when I get this open, we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one first, and then we'll show you the other one. Maybe if I can get it out. Maybe I should have opened this a little more. Now, I guess this paper's not going to get saved. The other one I did. I was hoping to save them both, but she taped this one pretty darn good. Alright. I like how they're packaging this. That's why I couldn't get it out. There we go. So, I got this, I don't know, like a journal book. I'm trying to see where I can open it. Right here. And it's the DIY Moon logo on it. Oops. Look at that. Look how cute. And it's got the lined paper on the inside. Oh, that's neat. And you can, there you go. I like that. Really pretty. And then you got your colors. So, all the colors of the rainbow. And intruders. Look how pretty. My favorite. And look at that green. That's a pretty blue. And of course, there's Lyra's favorite orange. And look what's next to it. If you turn it the right way, who comes first? Green, then orange. Love you, Lara. Alright. So there is that one. I love it, I love it, I love it. Get this out of the way. let's open up this one. Now, I ordered this painting because it reminds me of my daughter and I. So, that is the reason behind this one. And if you watched their unboxing, you will already know what this painting is. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Wait, did I order this? Oh, no, they was doing another giveaway, and when they drew for me, I got this, like, diamond drill holders. Yep. I love it. It's so cute. And look at the front. It's got little unicorns, and it says, "Dream like a unicorn." Look how cute that is. I love it. That is adorable. In fact, Rocket was the one that drew this for me. So, Rocket, if you're watching this, thank you, my boy. I love it. So cute. I'm going to look at the drills after we look at the painting. So, I'm going to roll it the opposite way so it'll lay flat. But like I said, this reminded me of my daughter and I, so that's why I chose this one. Look at that. Got the mom and her holding the baby, you know, her daughter, and then there's a little dragonfly right here. I don't know, it just reminded me of my daughter and I. But I don't know, it's just gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. I haven't decided where I'm going to hang it, but the drill field. I mean, even with the plastic, I mean, look how amazing that looks. And of course, you can see the glitter just sparkle all through there. So it looks like it's meant to be this way when you drill it sideways. That. And as always, it is super sticky. Like, look at that. Ah, hello. So, yeah, I love it. I love this painting so much. Alright, let's put this off to the side. And let's take a look at the drills. I always get the version 3 because you get a choice of, you know, well, you don't have to get any version if you don't want to, but I always do. I like the new packaging that they've got for their kits. I like this. Let's open it up. So it comes with your basic tools. Oops. So you get your needle nose pointed tweezers. I really don't use these, but you get your wax, your tray, and then you get your single, obviously, and then you do, I think this is probably 5 or 6. I don't know if it's going to show. I don't even know if it does show. Nope, 7. So this is a 7 placer. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can see that right there. Yeah. I don't use the placers. If I do, it's a 3. I've never had a 4, so I don't know if I'd like a 4 or not, but yeah. So I do like the bag that they're using now. I do like that. Okay, here we go. So there's the image and the legend. Now this is a 36 by 60, and there are, oh, look at all those, 45 colors. Pretty neutral colors, really. I love their symbols. They're all so clear and easy to read. Can't mistake them. So this painting is called In Their Own World. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. I can't remember the artist. So what I'll do while I'm editing is I'll look to see who the artist is, and then I'll put it here. Because she's got some amazing work. Well, all of the artists have some amazing work. Alright, I can't figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. I'm not going to pull out every color. Just because that would just take way too long. But we'll go through some of them, and then I'll show you the special drills that I got with it for the version. Oh my gosh, for the version 3 that I got. So well, let's look at these. Oh, I'm going to have to put these in a new bag. Let's look at these. Like, kind of a dusty rose color. Look at those. That is so pretty. I really like that. Oh, this one. That's really pretty. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay. Put those aside. Here are the special drills for In Their Own World. I can open it. There we go. So we got the electric. And I love this. They let you know, like, where, you know, to put it. I mean, use your own imagination, but this gives you, you know, an idea of where they had it in mind. And they always do an amazing job. But look at those. Tell me those aren't just gorgeous crystals. Focus. There you go. So beautiful. This is the Deep Forest. Look at those. Is that not amazing? God, they're just so beautiful. Look at those sparkle. This one is the rainbow. This one's for the dragonfly. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? And then the last one is the electric. And this is for the galaxy dress and the hair. Ah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Right? Oh my gosh. So this, like I said, is for the dress and the hair. So it's this part, this is the galaxy part of the dress right here. And then, of course, sprinkled in the hair. So, I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, you guys, it has been almost 15 minutes, so I'm going to let you guys go. Rana and Reggie, give Zuli and Rocket hugs, and thank you guys so, so much. I absolutely love it. And you guys just do as you're doing. Be safe, okay? Same with everyone else with this virus going on. Everyone needs to just be safe, you know, and stay home. Only go out if you absolutely have to. Okay, you guys, I love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.